Hello everyone, my name is Sunddra son of Sinasamy and my matrical number is 01DDT20F1095. Today I will show you how I done my practical work too. Um, Today I will demonstrate how to install Arduino IDE and then driver installation for NodeMCU ESP8266, and then third part is Arduino ESP8266 core installation, and then the fourth part is Arduino JSON library installation, and finally Blink installation. For the first part, we need to download Arduino IDE installation. For that, copy this link and paste in your Google Chrome, then click enter, then search for old version 1.8.8, then click Windows. It will now choose your downloading part. I click download and then click save. Well, I already have it, still same file. I rename it to Windows 1. It will take several times. I already download this IDE, so I just cancel it first. So after download it, this is the file. You need to extract it first. Click extract all, then click extract. It will take several time to extract all the files. Well, now I extract all the files. It takes around 8 minutes something. After extract it, the new file will be created as the same name as a zip file, and then click and then click again. Now you can launch your Arduino application here. Double click. Then wait for a second. Click install anyway, and then it start to install in your. Click allow access. Yeah, it's already downloaded. Now the Arduino installation is done. Now let's move on to the next part. Now we have successfully done our Arduino IDE installation. Now let's move on to the driver installation of NodeMCU ESP8266. For that, you need to go to this website, copy and paste in your Chrome, click enter, and then go to the downloads and download CP210X Windows driver. And then click save. As usual, go to the download place and then click extract all, then click extract the file you downloaded. After extracted, click CP210X BCP installer X64, double click, and then it will search in Microsoft Store and click install anyway. Click yes, then next, accept the agreement, then click next, and installation is done of the driver. Now we are successfully done our second part, which is driver installation for NodeMCU ESP8266. Now first I skip the third part, move to the fourth point, which is Arduino JSON library installation. For that, you need to copy this link and paste in your Google Chrome, or I already pasted. Then search for Arduino JSON, and then search for Arduino JSON version 5.13.5, which is this one. Click and then save. After download it, go for the download path, search for Arduino JSON version 5.13.5, click extract all. Click extract. It will take some time for extract all the files again. And then this is the extracted file. Now go to your Arduino where the Arduino file saved. This is my version Arduino 1.8.8. Then double click it, go for libraries, and then copy this file and paste in your libraries. I already have it. I already done it. Now the Arduino JSON library installation is done. Now let's configure Arduino ESP8266 core installation. For that, you need to open your Arduino. Now go to your files and then preferences. Now copy this link and paste in your additional board manager URL and then click OK. Now go to tools and then go to board manager. Okay, board manager. Wait for a second. Now search for ESP8266 to download your community version. Now select your version, then click install. I already have the latest version 3.0.2, so I just close it first. Now you need to select your board, tools, board, NodeMCU 1.0 ESP12E module, and then we have successfully done our configuration on Arduino ESP8266 core installation. Now let's do a Blink installation. For that, go sketch, include libraries, and go click manage libraries. Then wait for a while. Now search for Blink. Well, this is it. Well, I already now select your version and click install. I already have your latest version, which is 1.0.1. Install it. So I just click close again. Now the installation part is done. Now let's see how I done my work. For that, I click files, examples, and then Blink engine, and select my MCU version, which is ESP8266. Well, this is the coding. Now let's see how I configure my cloud in this coding. For that, you need to go Blink in Chrome. For the first time, you need to log in your credential in your Blink. I already log in. I already have an account on Blink, so I already open it. For the first time, you need to click new devices. I already have it, so I click my project. And then, well, copy this one, define Blink template ID and define Blink device name. Copy and paste in your this path. Let I copy it first. Copy and paste here. This one no need first. After copy it, just and then connect to your NodeMCU and just upload it straight away. And then now I show you how I done my project. Edit dashboard. I already have the LED free configuration I already done. For an example, I show you how I done my how I add my LED here. So that click on digital. For an example, ADD4, and then the pin number is 4. Click output, then select the color you want, the LED color, which is, for an example, I select purple, and then click create. Here I already have my project one, LED 1, 2, 3. This is the example one. And then go to your web dashboard and then select, drag and paste it here. Then click settings and then choose your data stream and then just save it. That's all. For cloud configuration, for Wi-Fi and cloud configuration, all done in your mobile application. And then after the configuration done in your web application, just click save. For now I don't need the LED for I just cancel it. This is my original project web dashboard. Next I show you how to connect your NodeMCU in the cloud, which is done in your mobile application. Before we see how to connect NodeMCU to Blink Cloud platform, first we need to configure your NodeMCU with LEDs and wires. Here I already done my project, now I explain one by one. Well, this is my NodeMCU configuration, as I have a 3 output LED which is red color, yellow color and also blue color LED. For the first step, I connect my ground pin into negative terminal, and then here I put 3 LED. Negative terminal I set in negative path, and then positive in 30 pin, 27 pin and also 24 pin, the positive side. And then I set 3 transistors. And then for blue color I set C into pin number D7. And then for yellow color I set pin number D6. And then for red color I set pin number D4. So this is my NodeMCU configuration, and that's it. Now let's move on to how to connect NodeMCU to mobile application to configure the Wi-Fi password and SSID. Now let's see it. Now open Blink application and then click develop more mode option, and then click your project one. And then here I set LED 1 and LED 2 already. Now I include LED 3 button. For that, click the 3 dot button on your right side corner and then click button, drag it to below LED 2 and then resize it, and then click on this button. And now let's get configure. Select the data stream which is LED 3, then switch the mode to switch, and then resize the color which is blue color. Set the title into LED3 and set the middle one, and it's done. Click back button. Here you can see we have successfully done our interface in mobile application. Now, well, this is my mobile Blink mobile application and this is my NodeMCU. As you can see, there is two LED switches. For the first part, I click a red LED one, which is red color, and then yellow color, and then finally blue color red. All the light is functioning successfully. So you can see. That's it for the output part. Thank you. Now let's see the output for web application. Here is the three buttons and the our NodeMCU. Now I click the first button, the red light is turned on, then I turn off again, and then click LED 2, the yellow button is turned on, and finally LED 3, the blue light is turned on. That's it for my part. Thank you for watching my video.